Yo, thanks for logging into the Mr. Show. Yo, pack show today. It's gonna be niceness today. Yo, check it out. Check it out.
Provides a highly feasible alternative to rise up out of poverty.
President Obama goes into Jamaica.
Girl, you my friend when I'm in need.
Check this out. Check this out.
Like the Lord body with a spirit. Who's gonna have your mind?
It's a nice show today. Do we trust? Do we trust to the fullest after 8 years of marriage? Can we trust?
Messenger. What do you mainly be on?
I use
Instagram.
I use
This stupid game.
Let's check the Instagram DMs.
It's gonna be a wild show. All right, and remember this, people. This is serious.
Off slappy sex. The force will be with you.
Support the book on Amazon and on.
People, may I tell you, a lot of things are going on with this sex that people are having, and when a Jamaican delivers to your house,
Bring in the new one. How about that? Suit your ass.
That's better.
Okay?
Look at this place, man. You don't see the car outside cleaner than the house?
gotta be Jamaican all the time. So this man here, when you hang out with a Jamaican, it only takes you about 3 weeks, no, 3 months to become a Jamaican yourself. Watch this.
Son-in-law. 1 month with Jamaican son-in-law. Big up yourself, me G.
Voice change.
Hey.
The vocab changes.
Few months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Me just yam some curry chicken.
Hold on. You say you just yam some curry chicken. You notice the hat. You notice how the hat backwards now, eh? Are you noticing the neck movements now and the shirt now? Jamaica shirt.
3 months with.
Okay, 3 months now. The man have one of them darkers. The vocab is definitely more Jamaican. And look at his stance.
The Jamaican son-in-law. Boom clot.
Why is he holding his crotch? Yo, I gotta play this one back, yo. I gotta play this one back. Let's go.
Son-in-law. 1 month with Jamaican son-in-law. Big up yourself, me G. Respect. Few months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Me just yam some curry chicken. 3 months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Boom clot. What a poom poom fart. Jamaican son-in-law. Big up yourself, me G.
Not gonna stop it again.
Few months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Day 1 with Jamaican son-in-law.
I did. Okay, let's watch.
1 month with Jamaican son-in-law. Big up yourself, me G. Respect. Few months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Me just yam some curry chicken back. 3 months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Boom clot. What a poom poom fart. Psst. Empress.
Hold on. The man have them clocks. Yo, the man have one them clocks. Cut off pants jeans. Saying, look like cut off jeans. I watch a Jamaica shirt, the outside shirt. What him have in his hand? What does he have in his hand? The glasses, the stance, the gold chain. You alone have the style, the doggy. You alone have the style, the doggy, the queen. Yo. Everybody have to ask where him get him clocks. Where him get him clocks. This way soft. Toothbrush. Right? Toothbrush get out there.
Boom boom. Come out to the Bumbleclot Road. Beg you some boom boom. Come out to the Bumbleclot Road.
Yo.
What you say? What the Bumbleclot?
Brush get out the dust fast.
Beg you some boom boom. Come out to the Bumbleclot Road. What you say? What the Bumbleclot?
Well, when a Jamaican person comes to deliver at your house and your place not clean, this is what happens.
Boss, most I can do is drop this washer off to you.
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
I said the most I can do.
Yeah.
Just drop this washer off to you.
No, you're not going to drop no frickin' washer off to me.
Look, man.
Take it back to, you can take it back to your company and I'll tell them you refuse to put it, take out the old one and bring in the new one.
You don't.
Suit your ass.
That's better.
Okay?
Look at this place, man. You don't see the car outside cleaner than the house?
You guys came with bad attitude in the first
Look at the car. Look at the car. The car cleaner than the house, man.
Okay. You didn't have to tell him that. Come on now.
Check this out.
You need to clean the house.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
Right? In Japan, they have a culture called Blackanese, right? Where it's some form of African, Jamaican, Caribbean, American black mixed with the Japanese. And it's called Blackanese. But this woman is a straight Japanese, and hear what she say.
Yeah, me born and grow in Japan, but let me tell you about my parents. My mother, strong like Jamaican woman. My father, wicked like Jamaican man.
All right. And I got to big up Japan because outside of Jamaica, they really got the culture covered. They got that Jamaican culture covered in Japan. I've been there a couple times and it's amazing. Big up our Japanese crew. Big up on ourselves. Konnichiwa.
Yeah, and get it for.
All right. When they can't rule you, when they cannot rule you, they do some crazy stuff. Watch this.
You, it becomes a problem. It's when them can't get it for program you, it becomes a big problem. Yes, when you stop with them yes girl and them yes man, it becomes a big problem to them. Hold your own till you own your own.
Hold your own till you own your own. Now coming like this girl set this man's car on fire, yo. She set his car on fire.
Yo, wait a minute. Yo, I'm Theo, man.
She don't care.
Don't make them program you. And obviously no yes girl and a yes boy.
You're the rhythm behind there, dirty wine, Tony Mataran.
And when them can't program you and have your freedom way and them the Burger King, it becomes a big problem to them.
So good.
Jamaica's Pop the Balloon has got to be one of the most original Pop the Balloon that them have. So right off the bat, the question that he asked, listen.
So good. So good.
No.
Alright, one, bro. One question. You ever think about a try?
No. It's a pum pum.
Oh, shit like
Never that, man.
Alright.
Again, she's not a mock, as if she no mock is a no-no, you see me? Girl,
Alright, Craft.
so could me love them in fine.
Look, I go find that out this thing.
How much did you rate him? How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
9.
9 out of 10?
Your Honor, I'm currently fasting. When he cooks, the smell comes into my space. It makes it
Blue-haired liberal.
harder to stay disciplined. I think neighbors should be mindful of that.
I cook at home. That's normal for me. I didn't even know she was fasting. I was just making dinner like I always did.
Ma'am, your fasting is a personal choice. It does not create obligations for other people. Cooking food on one's own property is not unlawful. This claim is dismissed.
Trying to keep up with Gen Z.
Effective, effective.
So all of those little boys running around with guns who believe that them will go in front of a judge and they will plead a case and they will go through some bargaining process and they get 6 months and come out.
What you say?
Rubbish!
Rubbish! The Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness has a message for the YNs that are out there causing trouble.
What them say? Radam!
Radam!
You're going to get 15 years minimum. Radam!
But me never know say eat at first, that's why I will bust the balloon. But you go say I will eat a man. So I say I want back my next balloon. But when I get the next balloon, I'm going to say that eat down the whole away. Whole 9 away that eat down. This not going to work.
I'm a real bad man, Emily. I'm not a hypocrite. That's why certain things bad man don't do.
Oh, me have my money.
No jokes.
No, 8 people in a 8 people in a line.
Alright, uncle.
She not listen me as a role.
You go eat me, she, and the old lady, the uncle. Me not gonna work for that. Because I not gonna work with the old lady and what's your name there.
I'm not sure if she would have been my wife, really. So
I'm not sure if you gonna be my husband. Shh, me not don't talk.
Jamaican kids be like.
Alright, put it in the back.
Yo. This is a bad song that I play, and you know, say YouTube make me take out the song. There's a good nice song playing on YouTube. Maybe check it out. Jeez. You saw that?
You know that right now.
Alright, this is serious business right now. This is the part uno, and as you continue on the video, you're going to see the rest of the parts before the video is over. Check this out.
A lot of women in Jamaica, they have scratch where they might have one internal scratch where they don't know how to get rid of it. No matter how much antibiotic they take, they have problem now.
Evening, mommy. Evening, big woman. Tell me something. What day when you did reach home late from school? Let's say, who's spotted there? Master Brinky boss did left me, so I go walk with Chinese and Lipton. Lipton and Chinese. Okay. So one night when me sing, I go buy Destroyer. Who are you go? Me alone, mommy. Look like
All the mothers, how does these Jamaican, how do women know these things?
You think me born yesterday? Me say, who are you go? Nobody, mommy. I mean somebody. Nobody, somebody. Jesus, Father God. Take the pill and give me the 50 shit, because you say me no walk. You got little girl. How me fi send you go to school and you there people yard gate? Okay.
Translation. How am I sending you to school? Why am I sending you to school and you're at the front of people's gate? You're not going to school, you're hanging out at people's gate. You're just chilling.
With big face, thinking more big eye, big nose, cock off ears, Hunchback Lipton.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
If mosquito did kill me up here last night, you don't know. Because I want to destroy you and you up around a wall up street light with Lipton.
Alright. So she sent her to the store to go get mosquito repellent. You know the little green something them that you burn and it spin around in a circle and burn. And it destroys mosquito. So them call it destroyer in Jamaica. So she's like, boy, if I had to wait on you, the mosquitoes would have killed me in here, would have unalived me in here last night. Sorry, YouTube. And you know, so she's getting on her case about that. Let's go.
Nose, cock off ears, Hunchback Lipton.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
If mosquito did kill me up here last night, you don't know. Because I want to destroy you and you up around a wall up street light with Lipton. What Mr. the gas school for? Mr. Where Mr. the gas school for? Mr. the gas school.
It's like blah 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 blah.
Jesus. Do you want to kill me? Princess, me talk to you about antenna big knee boy every day. And you go like in a brought up say. You go make you whole church tumble down for me. You go like you're a bloody well infidel. Oh, Jezebel. Me not gonna skettle up here now, say no way do. Come out of me here. Matter of fact, since you're a big woman, you're gonna start to wash your own clothes and cook your own food. No TV for you. Give me your phone. Give me your phone, cause you now bring the baby in here. I tell you every day, man do not good. Then just want to get the little skittles and feel the rainbow and then they gone. You know what? Man, you know what?
Greetings, Mr. President. How are you?
Alright. Barack Obama is in Jamaica. What I'm saying, the Jamaican accent is on another level.
Life and blessings on you and your family.
What's your name?
My name is Miguel Williams, but you can call I Stepper.
Stepper?
Yeah, man. That is quite sufficient. Yeah, man. My question.
Stepper.
More life and blessings on you and your family.
What's your name?
My name is Miguel Williams, but you can call I Stepper.
Stepper.
Yeah, man. That is quite sufficient. Yeah, man. My question has to do and surrounds U.S. policy as it regards the legalization, the decriminalization of marijuana.
How did I anticipate this?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And yeah, man.
How did I guess this question?
Yeah, Yes, and Mr. President, it really comes on the foreground of we face economic challenges with the IMF, etc. And we find realistically that the hemp industry, the marijuana industry, provides a highly feasible alternative to rise up out of poverty.
Yo, shout out to Shaggy. Listen to this.
Like the one big body with a steering on. Who's gonna have your back on him? It's all good with the internet gear from. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Looking like Shopsy, always a mention. Say me done giving her much attention.
Oh, yeah.
She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
I trust her.
That was good. Shaggy.
You sound like a
No, it sound good. Shaggy, bring that man on tour. All right, trust. Trust is the name of the game. If you're in a relationship, you know how important trust is. So let's go.
implicitly.
Can we test that theory?
I trust her implicitly.
Can we
test that theory?
We gotta swap phones. I gotta swap
I
phones.
don't have my phone.
You gotta give me your phone.
Okay, she's pulling in her pocket now.
I don't carry my phone anywhere.
Why not?
Because there's no purpose carrying my phone.
A little lucky day for you then.
I don't ever carry my phone.
What platforms do you use?
Samsung. He's got.
I mean like platforms like apps like.
Yeah, like Tinder, Bumble. What apps are you on?
Snapchat, Messenger. What do you mainly be on?
I use
Instagram.
I use
This stupid game.
Let's check the Instagram DMs.
All right, so just Instagram and a game.
Check that Instagram. Check that Instagram. Check that Instagram.
Okay.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it.
Okay, people, watch her hands very carefully.
They start shooting you Instagram, start stealing your shit, man, you know.
So she's gone now. She went into the messages. See, that's the messages. She held onto a message, and then she's going to go lower and press delete. Watch this.
That's smoked by some credit. You guys some hustlers here.
Why you delete that one?
Bam. I'm so glad he caught her.
Let's get it.
They start shooting you Instagram, start stealing your shit, man, you know. You got smoked by some credit. You guys some hustlers here.
Why you delete that one?
I didn't.
The vice versa is happening to the males where they might have tingling.
Oh, she did. Okay, so we're going to a serious conversation right now because people out there, you have to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself out there on the road in 2026, 2027. Let's go.
I didn't.
The vice versa is happening to the males where they might have tingling in their urethra and also they feel them then soft tissue beside of them testicles they feed upon and them I wonder what and then constantly go to doctor and then don't know why. When we were doing animal science, we realized that what caused the most worms was when you feed animal near their feces or the area that their feces was at, because there is a bacteria that is called E. coli. No, what am I getting to? Most of these men, women that you're having, they indulge in either by man or by woman, but you
hold on, because I did say this already, you know. Me did say it already. Said you have some girl where I walk chichi man. You have some girls that is working the chichi man them. What I mean by walk chichi man? So you have some girls that are in relationships with dudes that go both ways, right? Then they bring that tuntun back to their man. And it causes like all kind of E. coli and the bacteria and all kind of... It's not funny.
Where no, another thing happen now. Men, you can also woman in their vagina, not knowing that they are with man who have sex with other men or woman and introduce this E. coli bacteria. Yo, you think the bacteria easy to move? Yo, me I tell you, you have to be a biochemist like myself that has moved many from their and their urethra and their testicle, where you call them balls. Come over here, man, and let's fix you. But guess what, no? Clean up on the farley gongs. Women, be careful. Me know a worse thing can happen when you don't know that you're indulged in this kind of sloppy sex.
Support the book on Amazon and on my website.
We buy some hug and cookie and
Day one.
Yo, the man get some hog pum pum for dinner. Yo, thanks for logging in. Remember to hit the like and subscribe, people. Mister.
Yum, some curried chicken pie. Mud. 3 months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Boom, baclaw.